Alright, let's take a look at bus number 607 here. Okay, so you got your luggage bays. Right now they're locked. We'll come around and look at that in a minute there. Alright, so right here, that's where your gas is. Gas is only on one side on this one. This is a diesel bus, and you can leave it running while you are filling. So to get the key out, you're going to want to open this up. Set that right in there so it doesn't close on your head. This is your power switch here. Okay, you're going to want to make sure that's down at the end of the night. Your key box is located right here. And this is going to be where you have your stock for your flares, safety flares, down there in the red box. You got your radiator, and there should be oil in there. Alright, let's look at the back. Alright, so looking at the back here, you open that up there. Once again, if you have any problems, issues with starting, make sure engine front that these two buttons are in the upright position there. Alright, so you got your oil check up there. Your radiator is going to be up top. If you need to open up the top, you do have one of these on either side. Pop those and the front will pop out open there. Okay, so this one does have a bathroom in the back there. Simply open that up. If they're in there, they've got a lock to slide. When they slide that lock, a light will come on as well. Always make sure you got the hand sanitizer full in there. You got your trash can to the back right here. Okay, this is a 55 passenger bus here. Alright, so for your seat controls, you got the lever, and that'll take them back and forward. Holding that lever. There's a lever on the other side as well. You got your armrest right there. Okay, your overhead, they can open and close the fans, counterclockwise, clockwise. You got your map lights, just press the white map lights, and then when it's enabled in the front, they'll come on. They also have the overhead chargers. Okay, so if there is an emergency exit, simply pull up on that flap, push out on the window, seal it back down. Okay, so you got your overheads here, you got your loser sign there, so just press in on the loser sign and that'll open those up. You got your cleaning supplies up here, you got your box up here, credit card machines. Alright, the paperwork, the important paperwork though for registration, insurance, all that is going to be in this box. This is where your maintenance report is going to be as well. Okay, for the fire extinguisher, we got it right down low there. Alright, we'll come up here and look at the front controls. Okay, you got your PA right here. Now, sometimes when you hit this button, it may not come on. Continue to hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds and it will eventually power up there. So that'll be right there. Your e-brake release is right here. So push down on that to release, pull up to hold. You got your shift there. Okay, so you got seat control in back. You got a seat control underneath. Over on this side, you control the DVD from up front on this one. So that would be your eject right there. This will slide you from scene to scene there, going up and down the dial. And for play, it's going to be that button, that last button there, number 6 there. This one too also had that auxiliary line in, so if they want to play their music, simply hook up there and let them play their music. If you're running the DVD, it's going to have to be on video here. If you got it on radio, it's not going to pop up right there. So for video, you want that hit, and then for radio right there, obviously you got your volume, you need to change your bass, treble, all that's right there too. Okay, coming over here, you got your light controls right there, you got your hazards, you got your overhead coach, and then just side window lights right there. Okay, these last 2 buttons here, you're not really going to need to worry about those two. Just leave those in the down position. You got your driver light overhead. You got your chip button to ring in. You got your door right here. You got your air release. And then you'll be able to open and close the door. The need to kneel the bus, hold that down. Okay, step lights, so that should be in the up position so that when you open up the door, that light overhead will come on. Okay. So these right here are going to lock and unlock your luggage bays. So when they're pushed in, it's going to be unlocked there. Alright, you got your overhead shades that are manual. Alright, so simply right in the middle, kind of push up and down on them. Okay, you got your air temperature control right here. So 65 the lowest it's going to go. You got your windshield wash wipers right here. Can't talk right now. Alright, and if you need the washer spray, simply hold those in. It'll begin to spray. This one over here on the right hand side takes a little while to get going. Once it gets going with the air pressure, it'll build up and go. Okay, let's come over to the oven. Okay. Alright, your controls over on this side here. You got your map light. Pushing that forward will then enable them to turn on their map lights. You got your cruise control right here. Okay, so you push that up. FM antenna should always be in the up position. And this will give you your cruise settings, set, Excel. So this is related to cruise. There's your cruise control to turn it on. This just leave in the upright position. Do have automatic mirrors on this one. Now this will switch only the lower mirrors. Okay. Alright, so you got a charger back here. You got a charger right there. Okay, so your seat controls. If you need to move the back of the seat, you got the knob. You got the lever right over here for sliding it forward and backward. Okay. Alright, coming up and looking over at your AC controls. Okay, that is your main power for the AC right there. If that's in the middle, that's in the off position. So you're going to want to make sure that's turned on for AC. If you got it in the down position, that'll give you heat. Alright? So ACPR is going to give you maximum AC. So if you need it cold, you're going to want that up. You got your fans right here. If you need the overhead fans off totally, have both those switches down. But like I said, for max AC, you want that up, you want that up. This gives you your driver AC right here. This gives you your windshield. And you also have one extra lower right over here. That'll give you, it's a little bit noisy, but it'll give you a little extra cool right there. You got it in the middle, it's off. Okay, you got mirror heat, and you got your fast idle right here. Always make sure when you got the bus going, you need that in the upright position. Okay, PA over here in case you have to hook up. You got your steering column control right here. Alright, and let's see the horn on this one, right on the bottom there. Okay, I think that'll do it for